Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest ideas of pixie haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and many much more latest and trendy ideas of pixie haircut in short hair you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyling in pixie. Some ideas: fine hairstyle, some collection wavy curly hairstyling, some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some collection make curl with curler, and very attractive ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and trendy ideas of messy hairstyle. The 2023 trend in short hair, messy hairstyle, and many much more ideas of messy hairstyle you see in this video. Very attractive collection of hair dye, blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, ash color, black color, and so stylish ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, and some collection in funky color, and very attractive ideas of haircut, and different type of cut in pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and so beautiful latest cut in choppy haircut, notching haircut, some ideas with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and many much more trendy ideas of pixie haircut with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it on all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video. Take care of yourself and take care of your ones and those around you. I hope you do it. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you in next video. Take care and bye bye.